Let's hurry up and find out what we got. Corn on the cob? Cool.
Come on!
I'm down to start. My powers will allow me to roast this corn well. That smells good. I think it would be better to cook it a bit more. You might be right. I'll give it a go, Emma.
I've got it!
Now it looks more like a piece of charcoal.
Come on!
Will you fare any better?
Okay.
I can't eat this. But the ice can be melted if you give me a hand. All right, here's hoping practice makes perfect. Take a look. Wow, a mountain of popcorn. I say we dig in. Eating popcorn together is the best.